paintings. Painting is so beautiful.
This is my toddler painting for 30 minutes straight. No screens, no meltdown, completely engaged. Just calm focus and creativity. I almost got so lost in the moment that I forgot to film, but I really want to share this painting activity with you. I've done it with so many students, but it really hit me differently when my own toddler tried it at home. They all love it. And as a teacher and mom, so do I. It builds confidence, fine motor skills, and provides sensory play. It's super simple to set up and mess-free. Let me show you how.
Welcome to dear. I is play together.
All you need are these. Today I'm doing fireworks with my 2-year-old, and I've done variations of this project with kids ages 2 to 6, so works great for preschool and kindergarten art as well. Start out by drawing. If your little one is younger than age 3, you can draw some lines to give them some guidance. For my kid, since we're doing fireworks, I'm going to do simple curved lines. If your child is age 3 plus, you can actually guide them to draw a drawing step by step. The purpose of this is not to restrict them, but giving guidance and boundaries in art can encourage creativity. It reduces mental overload and frustration, especially for the younger ones, and helps their brain to problem solve, and also learn how to follow instructions and make connections. Keep the lines simple for the little ones, and give them prompts and clear steps. Then they will surprise you, like my toddler surprised me, as they freely create. Next, pour the paint into your paint palette or paper plate. If you are doing this with a group of kids, such as in a classroom lesson, pre-pouring the paint can reduce chaos. Now here's the art teacher hack, Q-tips. Not only is it a fun alternative to paintbrushes, but it is a great way to introduce painting, and it's easier for little ones to control. Mix, dot, and create gentle movements on paper. My toddler loves the swirly movements. Set up 1 Q-tip per color, and to give variety, you can even mix colors together. Now comes the fun part. Dip your Q-tips into the paint and dot on the paper. Encourage them to use the line drawing as a guide, and to keep it simple, start out with 1 color per line first. Encourage gentle movements. Learning how to grasp and control the Q-tip is great for their fine motor skills and builds focus and concentration. For the older ones, you can encourage them to make some patterns. They can alternate the colors or even use various colors for each line. See how fun it is when the colors interact with each other? This will help them to have a chance to learn foundational color theory. Lastly, drag the Q-tip. This fun dragging motion is super fun. My toddler really enjoyed dragging more than 2 colors across the page. You can demonstrate to your toddler, and then you can also paint together with them. For the younger ones, you can guide their hand to give it a try first, and then let them explore freely. The goal is not to have a perfect picture painting, but it's to let them express themselves and try out the different painting techniques. Anyhow, enough with my teacher's demo. Now it's time to see my toddler in action.
Is it fun to mix the colors? It's the right color.
To move to painting.
The fireworks are popping. Boop. Boop. Happy July 4th.
Happy July 4th.
July 4th is like celebrating USA.
A firework. You hold the works. Wait the colors.
Wait, the colors. You want me to use this one?
Yeah.
Okay.
The green.
Which firework do you want Mama to paint?
The small one.
Small one?
Yeah.
Okay. Boop, boop, boop.
It's a yellow.
Are you gonna let the brushy slide on the paper? Slide, slide.
하야 허락하야.
아이고. Slide, slide, slide. Oh, dab, dab, dab.
답답답.
Yeah, this is called dabbing. Dab, dab, dab the paintbrush. Tap, 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 tap.
Kaya cái mà hả khởi.
好啊，你抹下佢好喎。Is this your artwork?
Yeah,
It's so beautiful.
it's so beautiful,
It's so pretty.
so beautiful.
I hope you guys have fun with this one. Thanks for sticking with us today. I'm Eunice, founder of Dear. Join us for more creative activities, toy reviews, and simple strategies to nurture your child's character. And I know you're busy, so I've created a free starter kit to help you nurture these moments without the prep. This is Bagel's Color Library. 17 pages, teacher designed. Our team made sure there is something for everyone to love. I've tried to make it as easy as possible for you. Click the link in my description box. Just tell me a little bit about what your little ones love learning about, and I'll send your kit straight to your inbox. It's free, it's instant, and it's ready to play. If you want to keep building these creative moments, I've put this free kit and all our other resources at dearbyeunice.com. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.